All right, so today we're jumping back into our slope problems, but they're word problems today. So we don't have any pictures, so we're actually not using rise over run. We're going to go back to using our slope formula. So let's go ahead and read and annotate. We've got a tray. When there's 15 tacos, it weighs 77 ounces. The same tray with 35 tacos is 157, that should say ounces. And the question is, how much is the tray by itself? So with no tacos on it. So we're going to look at this in 3 steps, okay? Whenever you have a rate of change problem, and why it's a rate of change problem is we want to figure out how much does each taco weigh by itself. What's the weight of each taco? Then we can figure out the tray. So step 1 is you got to find your 2 ordered pairs. And we had some practice with this last week. Oh, why isn't it working? There we go. So the 2 ordered pairs, there's only 4 numbers in the problem, and those 4 numbers make up your 2 ordered pairs. I'm going to go ahead and put mine in table format. First ordered pair is 15 tacos, 77 ounces. Second ordered pair is 35 tacos, 157 ounces. I'm going to label my first point as x1, y1, and my second point as x2, y2, because now it's easy for me to plug in the numbers in the right place. So my second step after I've identified my ordered pairs is to plug it into the slope formula. So y2 is 157 and y1 is 77. That's my numerator. x2 is 35 minus x1, which is 15. So when I subtract 157 minus 77 gives me negative. Oh no, it's going to be positive, sorry. Gives me 80. That is positive. And then my denominator, I have 35 minus 15 is 20. I see they both end in 0, so I can divide both of these numbers by 10 to get a slope of 8 over 2, which is 4 over 1. And what does the 4 stand for? Ounces for 1 taco. So now I have the weight of 1 taco. It's 4 ounces. Okay, I haven't answered the question. The question is, how much is just the tray, right? So before I can find the tray, I've got to find how much each taco weighs, because now we're just going to subtract, okay? I know they gave me 2 different points, and you can use either point, and I'll show you both. So step 3, we're going to subtract the weight of the tacos from the weight of the tray. So let's say I started with the first order pair, 15 and 77. So I'm going to take 77 ounces, and I'm going to subtract the weight of 15 tacos. 15 tacos is 15 times 4, or 60 ounces. So I get 17 ounces for the tray. You can use the other ordered pair as well. So the total weight is 157. I'm going to subtract the weight, this time, of 35 tacos. 35 times 4 is 140, which gives me 17 ounces. So it doesn't matter which point you use. You're just going to take the total weight, and you're going to subtract the weight of the tacos on the tray at the time. So to answer the question, the tray weighs 17 ounces. That is the question, so that's what I'm going to put in the box. You're going to have 2 more questions like this to work through. It's going to be the same steps. Find your points, find your rate of change, subtract the weight of the item from the weight of, your tray or your box or whatever, to get that by itself. So see how you do, and then you'll be able to check your work.